Okay. Frigidaire. Uh-oh. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it says the filter's bad. So how are we going to change the filter on this Frigidaire? On this Frigidaire, see back here, Pure Source 3. Here's your filter. And let me show you the model number. This is where you'll find the model number. Reference it. And it's as simple as this. Push in on it, here click, pull it out. That is your filter removed. Okay, now here's a little tip. Before you put your new one in, mark the date on it when you changed it. We'll put 3/01/22. Okay. You can do it on the end. That way you can always see it. Just, I can't hold this and put it on the end. Now, there's a certain way your filter goes back in. It will only go in one way, so don't worry about getting it wrong. You do want to make sure that your new filters has these O-rings on there. Every once in a while, you find them without it. Cheapest place I found to get these is Amazon. Lowe's and some of them sometimes carry them, but they're pretty pricey. Now, look, you got a small fin and a larger, and it goes this right, oops, or do this one hand, so it goes right back in the slot. Okay, push it just like you did. Now, hold on, let me get you in there. Now, when it's in, those fins will be flush with the housing. And that is simply all it is to replace the filter on this Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator.